Hey, watch this girl. He's taking a bath, and he's almost done with taking a bath, and next he's going to get up and walk. It's dinner time, so he's walking to his place where he sits to eat dinner, moves that dinner stool, that green dinner stool, and sits down and waits for his dinner to be served. Okay, so he's waiting a little bit, and it seems like it's going to take a little bit longer, so he's going to watch this. He turns over his stool and puts it in front of him, so he has can make him a little bit more comfortable. Put his arms around it, so he's crossing his arms and waiting, and a little more. And then he scratches his head a little bit. He's kind of killing time here until his dinner is coming. And I guess it's taking a little bit longer now than he thought. Well, okay. Now he's getting a little bit irritated. See, he's crossing he's a little bit more tense now. He's wondering, what's going on here. Yeah. He looks through his windows and he sees that zookeeper. And maybe it's getting close. It reminds me of me sitting in a restaurant by myself, waiting. See? And now he's scratching his head, thinking, what's going on here? He's scratching his leg, just kind of trying to kill time. Just waiting very patiently. Yep, I don't blame him. Okay, well now he's a little bit getting more depressed a little. He lowers his head. It's just taking a little bit longer than he thought. Hopefully this is really good dinner tonight. Okay, he's scratching his nose and head. Kind of picking his nose because he doesn't know what else to do. He puts his arm underneath his chin. Where's the zookeeper? Where is my food? Still waiting. Scratching his head. Okay. This better be good, he's thinking. This really better be good, because this is taking longer than usual. Alright, finally he gets his dinner. And it looks really good. Look at, he just dives right into it. I don't know what it is, but he's really chowing down on it. Then he gets done with it, and he goes for another helping. It's right in that hole there. He takes it out, and then he's put some hay in there. He's going to lie down and eat in this position and take it easy. Sounds like a good idea to me. Here's a better view of that. He's eating his dinner.